Hey everyone, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Kevin Jeans. We have a slight chance of snow tomorrow morning, but I think most of this is going to end up staying southeast of us. So a couple of systems we're watching, one pretty far to our south and the other one pretty far to our west. But the first one highlighted in yellow, that's the one that could impact us by tomorrow morning. Again, most of the snow will likely stay southeast. It's just kind of a plan ahead and be prepared that there may be some snow during the morning, and especially across Wayne, I think in Monroe counties, across far southeastern Michigan. But you notice most of this snow is either south of us or to the east of us across Ohio and western Pennsylvania, and then up toward Buffalo and through New York. So that snow tomorrow, snow totals could be around a half an inch up to 1 inch just to the south of us. Toledo is just, see this computer model here, 0.1 inches. So it's not a lot of snow, but could be kind of messy, especially as you head south of us and throughout Ohio. And then as we get to Sunday now, Christmas Eve, the chance of snow actually going up. Another area low pressure developing, and then that moves by to our south. And so this could bring in a few snow showers by Sunday afternoon. It's going to be off and on all the way through Sunday night, and then even into Monday, Christmas morning, Christmas afternoon, snow showers off and on. So the snow potential exists there. We could see anywhere from 1, I think upwards of maybe 2 inches on the very high end, around 3 inches of snow for Christmas Eve and into Christmas morning. So temperatures is the other note on the way down this weekend. Highs only in the 20s for Sunday, 25 Monday, and then it gets really cold next week with afternoon highs Tuesday, Wednesday, only in the teens, and morning lows could be in the single digits by Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So as far as this weekend goes, it's a low chance of morning snow tomorrow. Most of it will be southeast of Michigan, and then partly sunny by tomorrow afternoon. Sunday, Christmas Eve, off and on snow showers beginning by Sunday afternoon, and that will carry over through Christmas Day, Monday, and can get a lot colder this weekend.